Hello everyone, here we come up with our new video on how to prepare or revise paper 6 of CIPCC, that is Auditing and Assurance, in just 3 days, which is the most awaited video I suppose. This video is made after analyzing the past year papers, revision test papers and mock test papers. This video contains full audit course and some important standards on auditing. Before watching this video further, take pen and copy to note the schedule. You will be successful only when the strategy you form to study is sound and its implementation is excellent. So here we start with our video. Day 1 schedule will be: first topic to be done on day 1 is Company Audit 1. Topics to be done from SMR Section 139.1, Section 139.5, Section 139.6, Section 139.7, Section 139.2, Section 139.8, Section 141. Whole section is important. There are 90% chances that this section will come in exam. Rights and powers. This can be found on page number 7.19 of study material of audit. Duties to audit report, section 143.3. This can be found on page number 7.24 of study material of audit. Section 143.12, fraud related section. It's an amended topic, so it is very important from exam point of view. Section 148, cost audit, joint audit. It can be found on page number 7.40 of study material. After doing these topics from study material, read PM thoroughly by reading every answer 2 to 3 times. So Company Audit 1 will require maximum 4 hours, 3 hours to do it from SM and 1 hour from PM. After doing this, second topic will be special audit. There are 4 topics in this. First, audit of hospital. This can be found on page number 9.31 of study material. Second topic is audit of educational institutions. This can be found on page number 9.29 of study material. Topic 3 is audit of cinema. It can be found on page number 9.33 of study material. Topic 4 is audit of hotels. It can be found on page number 9.34 of study material. All these 4 topics are very important. Read 3 times every audit and learn at least 8 points of every audit. It will take maximum 1 hour to do special audit. After doing above, next thing to do is chapter 1, nature of auditing. Topics to be done from SMR, defalcation of cash. It can be found on page number 1.21 of study material. Basic principles governing audit. It can be found on page number 1.32 of study material. Topic 3 is inherent limitations of audit. It can be found on page number 1.37 of study material. Topic 4 is advantages of independent audit. It can be found on page number 1.42 of study material. After doing SM questions to be done from PM are question 3, question 5, question 19. Question 19 is very important. Question 21, question 23. Questions to be done from new PM are question 25 and question 30. Question 25 can be found in May 2017 RTP also. After doing all these topics, do vouching and verification from our upcoming video, which will be going to include all common points which can be written in every vouching verification question. Then after watching that video, give 1 hour to question of vouching verification in PM in all the 3 days. Schedule. The first topic to be done on day 2 is Company Audit 2. Items to be done from study material is verification of issue of capital. General points given on page number 8.15 of study material. Section 52, application of securities premium account, and section 53, this can be found on page number 8.19. Section 52 is very important section from exam point of view. Third point is procedure for verification of dividend. It can be found on page number 8.35 of study material. Steps for verification of debenture. It can be found on page number 8.33 of study material. Deviation from accounting standards. 3 points are there in this. It can be found on page number 8.7 of study material. Sixth point is electronic form of books of accounts. It can be found on page number 8.2 of study material. After doing these topics from study material, read PM thoroughly by reading every answer 2-3 times. Company audit will require maximum 3 hours, 2 hours to do it from SM, and 1 hour to do it from PM. After doing company audit 2, start government audit. There are 3 topics in this. First topic is duties of C and AG. It can be found on page number 9.3 of SM. Point 2 is expenditure audit. It can be found on page number 9.5 of study material. All 5 parts are important. It can be asked individually also. Third point is role of C and AG. It can be found on page number 9.1 of study material. After doing all these, start chapter 2, that is basic concepts in auditing. Questions to be done from PM are question 3, essay 500, overall coverage is there. Question 7, essay 230 covered. Question 12, question 18, question 8. Question 8 covers essay 330. Question 10. Question 10 covers 50% of essay 570. Question 16. Question 21. Question 21 is last day revision question, means it is very important question. Question 25 of new PM. After doing this, topics to be done from SMR using audit evidence obtained in previous audit. This can be given at the bottom of page number 2.12. There are 6 points in this answer. Second topic is some observations about audit evidence may be of help in deciding upon the techniques to be adopted for obtaining them. This can be found on page number 2.20. It starts from the mid of the page in paragraph form. Answer is given. There are 8 points in this answer. Chapter 2 will take maximum 3 hours, 2 hours to done it from PM and 1 hour to done it from SM. After doing above, do vouching and verification as was done on day 1. Day 3 schedule will be first topic to be done on day 3 is a special audit. There are 3 topics in this. First, audit of charitable institution. It can be found on page number 9.27 of study material. Second is audit of club. It can be found on page number 9.32 of study material. Point 3 is audit of hire purchase and lease. It can be found on page number 9.38 of study material. All these 3 points are likely to come. Read 3 times every audit and learn at least 8 points of every audit. After doing above, start chapter 4, that is internal control. Firstly, read basic concepts given at the starting of the PM. Then questions to be done from PM are question 5, question 6, question 7, question 11. Question 11 can be asked individually and in parts also. So question 11 is very important. Then question 13, question 14, question 18. Question 18 is very important. Then question 19, question 24. Question 24 is very important. Then question 23, question 28, question 32. After doing PM topics to be done from SMR. First, elements of control environment. It can be found on page number 4.9 of study material. Second topic is division of internal control into components. There are 5 points in this. It can be found on page number 4.5 of study material. Topic 3 is advantages of review of internal control. It can be found on page number 4.13 of study material. Topic 4 is objectives of internal audit. It can be found on page number 4.34 of study material. After doing above, start chapter 3, that is preparation for an audit. Firstly, read basic concepts given at the starting of the PM of chapter 3. Then, questions to be done from PM are question 2, question 3, question 17, question 21, question 25. Question 25 is very important. Question 27 is also very important. Question 28, B and C part are very important. Question 29, question 31, question 33, question 38, question 11. After doing PM, topics to be done from SMR. What should an auditor do in establishing overall audit strategy? There are 5 points in this answer. It can be found on page number 3.7 of study material. Second topic is continuous and final audit. It can be found on page number 3.15 of study material. After doing all these topics, do vouching and verification from our upcoming video, which will be going to include all common points which can be written in every vouching and verification question. Then after watching that video, give 1 hour question of vouching verification in PM in all the 3 days. Time management for day 3 is special audit will take maximum 1 hour. Chapter 4 will take maximum 3 hours, 2 hours to done it from practice manual and 1 hour to done it from study material. Chapter 3 will take maximum 2.5 hours to done it from PM and 1 hour and 30 minutes to done it from SM. So total chapter 3 will require maximum 3 hours. After doing all this, do these 5 standards on auditing. These are important one. Essay 2110 agreeing the terms of audit engagement. Essay 240 the auditor's responsibility relating to fraud in an audit of financial statements. Essay 315 identifying and assessing the risk of material misstatement through understanding the entity and its environment. Essay 550 related parties. Essay 580 return representations. When you have completed all these things, then from day 4th onwards, start revising these things regularly. From PM, learn all the basic concepts given at the starting of chapter as they include the gist of those chapters. So friends, here we finish up with our how to prepare audit in just 3 days. If you guys implement the plan as set in this video, you will surely finish your audit course in just 3 days and score good marks or say exemption. So those who are watching this video, note down the schedule and start working on it. If you like this video, please hit the like button and remain connected with us by subscribing our channel. And if you want to suggest some improvements in our video, please let us know by leaving a comment in comment box. And don't forget to share this video with your friends so that they can also take the benefit. Thank you. Bye bye. Guys, we had already uploaded important questions of information technology whose link is given in description box. So guys, also see that video as it is very helpful for you. Bye bye.